guys. Welcome to Tutor Sisters channel. Please subscribe to our channel to help us grow.
For today's video, we will talk about 4 levels of My Papa's Waltz by Theodor Roethke. Now, without any delay, let's get right into it. Before starting about the 4 levels, let's talk about the author a little bit. Theodor Roethke was a poet from the United States. He is considered as one of the most successful and important poets of his period. Having won the Pulitzer Prize for Poetry in 1954 for The Waking, an annual National Book Award for Poetry twice, in 1959 for Words for the Wind, and posthumously in 1965 for The Far-Field. Introspection, rhythm, and natural imagery were all the hallmarks of his art. Now starting the 4 levels with literal comprehension. In the poem My Papa's Waltz, the persona recalls the disturbing memories of dancing with his drunk father. When he was young, every evening his father would come home drunk and try to waltz with the persona. The father's breath was intoxicated by whiskey and it could easily inebriate the persona, but he still continues to dance with the father. The dancing was difficult because of discord in liveliness, rhythm, and height. As the waltzing continued, they would move towards the kitchen. Now, since the father was drunk, his movements were uneven, and because of the uneven movement of the drunk father, the kitchen utensils would fall off the shelf. This would make the mother very angry, and it was clearly seen in her face. The height of the narrator and his father did not match, so every time they missed a step, the persona's ear was scratched with his father's belt. The father would beat his son in his head and drive him to bed, while the persona still clung to his shirt. Now, moving towards the interpretation part, the poem emphasizes on the effect of alcoholism in domestic life. The father wanted to spend some beautiful moments with his son, but his drunk behavior made the son very uncomfortable. The mother is also seen very angry. The instances of abuses are clear through the words like scrapped, battered, dragged to bed, etc. Thus, it shows that alcoholism was disturbing the peace of that family. Furthermore, the text also depicts how one's happiness can be another person's sorrow and pain. The father wanted to waltz to have some fun, but it was constantly causing pain to the persona. The use of the words like death, romped, scrapped, etc. provide a dark and negative connotation which proves that the attitude of his son towards his father is hostile. There is a paradox in the poem, which is the difficulty in waltzing. Waltzing is considered as the easiest form of dance, which brings joy and happiness. In contrast to that, this waltzing was difficult and painful. Now stepping into critical thinking, the poem is capable of igniting the aura of nostalgia in readers and taking them back to their own childhood. Moreover, the ABAB rhyming pattern makes the poem catchy and interesting to read. Similarly, I agree with the idea that alcohol can disrupt and jeopardize a happy family life. Also, we actually endure pain for the people we love, like the persona did for his father. However, there are certain details that I find equivocal. The persona clearly states that he was being hurt by his father's belt. Doesn't the father notice it? If he does, how can he be so inconsiderate towards his own son's suffering? Furthermore, the child does not cry despite being hurt. Moreover, why doesn't the mother stop this action? How can she let her husband cause pain to their own son? If these details were maneuvered, the poem would have been impeccable for me. Stepping into the final part, that is assimilation, after reading this poem, I received the insight that we should be careful about the consequences of our behavior upon others. It also endowed me with the knowledge that alcoholism can ruin a happy family. It reminded me of a similar incident in my own neighborhood. It was a happy family of 3. The father got into the habit of drinking alcohol every day. He started to abuse his wife both physically and verbally. This continued for a long time until they got divorced. A happy family was split in 2 because of a drinking habit.
If you liked this video, please share it with your friends. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.